Bless you. Yeah. Well, thanks for watching Hella Jam. I'm just gonna take care of my nose, take some allergy meds.
Your girl right here has had the worst hay fever throughout my pregnancy. Something about there being, I don't know. All I know is that if you suffered hay fever before pregnancy, shit, you will suffer hay fever even worse in your pregnancy. Motherfucker.
Just too Прошу прощения.
She's the one, but I'll go for it.
That's you.
Okay, ganun? Yun, para sa akin, we're just the same with Ethan. If I believe in something, really, if I truly believe in something, I'm gonna go for it. No, kung alam mo talaga na feel ko kakaiba to.
Bless you. Thanks. I have to sneeze. Whoa!
Right? You see, I'm allergic to this. Vlogging is a hazard to me now. I'm not even.
Right, I'm like, I hope I don't sneeze on here. Bless me!
I've sneezed. And I just fill the thing up with water.
My cheekbones, but this is kind of more of like a
No one here to say bless you, so I'll just say bless me. Hay fever sucks. I can tell this is going to be a very exciting video. Just be me on repeat sneezing. So this week's theme is an update video, and I haven't really
I'm gonna sneeze.
God bless myself.